Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Just want to let y'all know, starting on December the 13th, we are doing what I like to call the 12 days of Christmas. December 13th through December 24th, every day I'm going to be posting a Christmas storytelling with Pawpaw. I'll be reading traditional Christmas stories, Christian Christmas stories. Yeah, I'm going to do the first Christmas, a Christmas story, or the Christmas story. About the Mary and Joseph's travel to Bethlehem and the birth of Jesus Christ. Now I'm also going to do stories like the night before Christmas. Matter of fact, that one will be done on Christmas Eve. But I'll do other traditional Christmas stories. I will post one video every day from December 13th all the way up to Christmas Eve. They'll probably come out first thing in the morning. That way you've got all day or however long the video's up for your kids to be able to see them, for your grandkids to be able to see them, even for you to be able to see them. I like to listen to a good Christmas story. All right. So if you are interested in that, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever my episodes, videos, anyway, you'll know whenever they come up on YouTube. But for today, we're going to do an unboxing on a ground blind. Needed a new one. A little late in the season, but can't always have what you want. Found one on sale at our local Brickyard Feed and Seed. No, they're not paying me to mention them. I just felt like I should give them a little shout out because they had a pretty good deal on it. It was on sale for $75. I'm not expecting it to be a groundbreaking, state-of-the-art ground blind, but you don't need it. But before I show you the blind, or the box that the blind has come in, let me show you what I'm going to be using today. I'm testing out this lavalier mic that I bought off of Temu. It don't really have a name, but it comes with two of these mics, and it comes with the receiver that attaches to your phone. It'll go USB-C, audio jack, or whatever that is for iPhone. I don't use iPhones, therefore I do not know. I've got it connected through my phone, so whenever I do the wide shots on this video, you'll hear what the mic is like. As a matter of fact, why don't I go ahead and start the video, or start the recording on this camera. There, it has started, and I've got a little cat messing with my tripod. Go away. Alright, maybe y'all can hear me on this mic now. On my little action camera, you won't be able to hear it. I've got it running through that, so let me turn this camera around so I can show you what I'm doing. Alright. This is the Barnett Blinds Roadrunner. It's a lightweight, durable hub blind. 67-inch height, shooting whip, 71 by 71, weighs 8 pounds. Says it includes 4 removable blaze orange safety panels. So, alright. Well, that's the blind, that's the box. Let me get this opened up and we'll go from there. Alright, I'm sorry about that. FedEx just pulled up with another package. No, it's not one that I'm unboxing on camera. It's a Christmas gift. see what we got here. Comes with its own bag. It's got a sling on it. You can carry it out to the woods pretty easy. It's pretty lightweight. Wouldn't be hard to walk with this thing. Got a bag with our orange safety flags. We put them right down there. Got your instructions inside the bag. Alright, roof. Seems pretty straightforward. Move this over here out the way. Over here out the way. Now the wind is blowing today. There goes my stakes. So, what better time to set up a hunting blind than when the wind's blowing? Scrap material to be able to tie it up. Got your tag on it. Okay. I get it. Pop it up. Alright, got the little handles on the side of it. If this works right, just pop it out. Spin it around, grab your other little handle, pop it out. All four sides. Pop your little handle out, and there is your hunting blind. Window, 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 window. Alright, let's point this thing up, pop it back out. There's how you get in. Let me grab my other little camera. I can show you all around. Alright. Got your big window over here. That's your front. Corner window, corner window, corner window, corner window, another big window, another corner window, and another corner window. Come around here, and you can get inside. Now I hadn't put the stakes in it yet, so I only stand like 5'8", My head's touching the top in the middle. But I don't know if y'all can see these, but it's just like these little two-handed little loop latches. They latch onto that little piece right there. No screens, no nothing like that. Let's open all these windows up and see what a view looks like. Of course, when you're in the woods, if you're like me, you're not going to have them all open. And there is our view. Yeah. Yeah, you could put two people in here. One person would be comfortable in here. Put your little swivel chair in here. Face it right there. Where you can shoot out of that window or that window straight on. Got this window and this window to go to your sides. You go straight off to the side. Kind of like this little blind. You know, of course, you see the light coming through the top, so it's not going to be completely waterproof or nothing. Let's close this thing up and see how hard it is to pack back up. Seems like it would be a good one if you have a hunting lease that maybe you don't go to all the time, you don't want to leave your blind out all the time. Kind of a pain to do it one-handed, y'all. I'm sorry. But, I get it. Promise you I get it. I'm going to cut to a clip from the other camera while I'm doing this so that we can see what the audio on these mics are like with me. I'm probably 15, 20 feet away from the other camera, and I'm inside a hunting blind. So, do y'all think these mics are worth having? So far I've been kind of happy with them. I've used them a couple of times. It's trying to rain on me, so I'm trying to hurry up. Set this down. 2 hands. We're going to leave these windows open because the rain's getting harder. Let's see how hard it is to put this thing up. Hook it in, zip it up. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. Got it over there. I'll tell y'all right now, it's easier to take down than it is to put up. Stakes in the bag, safety flags in the bag, scrap material for tying it up in the bag. We are ready to leave the woods. This video is no cuts. Straight through filming. Had to look, make sure my mic was still on. That's how long it takes to put this up, open it up, and that's how long it takes to set it down. So, we'll come over here, squat down a little bit. Don't forget, December 13th through Christmas Eve, story time with Pawpaw, telling classical Christmas stories or classic Christmas stories. Hadn't picked all the stories yet, but we will have them picked. There'll be one posted every morning up until Christmas Eve. A little out of breath. Maybe your kids will enjoy it, maybe your grandkids will enjoy it, maybe y'all enjoy it. I know I will. I like telling stories. You ask my wife, I tell her stories all the time. That's why she married me. Then she found out the truth. She's been second guessing it ever since. Seriously, she does love me. I love her to death. Don't know what I'd do without her. So, I'll let y'all go. Let's have some fun. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way you'll know whenever I post another video. Like it, hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your enemies. I don't care. Share it with somebody who'll watch it. Share it with somebody who won't watch it. But until then, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.